Hey everybody, welcome back to Harmon Homestead. I'm in my dining room here and I'm going to show you our seed starting setup. I had a question this week saying how do you avoid the mess? Well, let me show you. It's still messy starting any seed inside. However, you save money. First thing, I am very blessed. I have sliding doors here in my dining room so I get sunlight all day. This is west facing. It's not optimal, but it still is great. During the afternoon, I get sunlight all afternoon right here at these windows. What I've done is I've gotten these stackable shelves. You can put them together, disassemble them. The legs just pop into the trays here. Easy peasy. So when it's seed starting season, I put these in here. Take them back out to the shop when it's like Christmas time. I'm done with this, all that, okay? Now, I've done videos on our seed starting method. What I like to use, and some of this, y'all, is just, I've just let it lapse, okay? Plastic bath cups. Write on this with a Sharpie marker, okay, a permanent marker. Put a hole in the bottom. I use a screwdriver and I'll just kind of twist. Be careful because it'll pop through the top and it'll hurt your hand, okay? Start your seeds in that. If they get leggy, it's no problem because you're going to turn around and put them in a bigger cup. You just upplant them, and that's it. I go no further than this right here, this cup. To water these, what I like to use, let me step over here. I have just a huge bowl of water, okay? I try to get it like room temp, but it doesn't matter. Cold, warm, whatever. Water, and then a turkey baster. That makes life so much easier. Just put it in there, and then go like this to water your plants. That's it, y'all. Now, these all have drainage holes. Even these plastic cups over here. When the water drains out, it's on these Rubbermaid container lids. That's the easiest thing. Easiest thing, y'all, you can use. It holds water. I've used the casserole pans here, and that's good, but I've noticed over time they'll get just like a little dent in the foil, and then there'll be openings for water there, and you don't want that because then you'll have water all on your floor and everywhere else. The plastic lids off a Rubbermaid container work great. You probably see here I've got a cardboard thing left over from mason jars. I canned blackberry jam this past week, so I saved this, what my jars came out of. And what I do to take these outside, see, it was draining water out there, and that's what we want, okay? We want the water to come out. I just kind of carry them outside in something like this, a cardboard box, to harden them off. You have to take them out to sunlight. Today, I'm going to start tomato seeds again indoors. A lot of people have asked online, hey, is it too late for me to do this? No, it's not. Get on a website like the Farmer's Almanac, type in your zip code, and look at spring and fall crops. It will tell you when you need to start stuff indoors and when you need to do it to transplant everything outside. So this year we've got all our tomato plants already outside. However, I'm going to do a fall crop of those. For my date, I need to do it by early May to go on and start these indoors so they'll be ready to transplant come July. This date changes every year. It's based on your first and last frost date. Do not think that it stays the same. It's going to be kind of the same, but it's going to change. And from what I've seen this year, everything is very slow going. You can see all these seed cups here. I tried to start cucumbers. I only had a few germinate. It was so cold and everything was just late. So I'm going to get an early start on this and today start tomatoes indoors. I do not need a heat mat here. It gets so hot by these windows, I don't need that. However, if you don't have a window like this, these huge sliding doors, you can do this in your bathroom, you can do this in your den, anywhere where there's light, okay? You may not have optimal results, but something will grow. If you don't have any light whatsoever, I would get grow lights. I've got grow lights. I did not care for them. They were the clip-on and you stretch them down, you know, the arms. It just was not good for me. I like these windows. And I've got a plastic greenhouse, and I'm going to tell y'all, I like the windows better. I know it's cumbersome in here, but you can keep down the mess with stuff like these lids that holds all your dirt, your water drainage. That's the way to go. And you can see I've got peppers here, y'all. Look, I mean, look at this. This is a cayenne. Look at this. That's been started inside since January. So you just have to water it and keep up with it. Best thing though, get a Rubbermaid box, put all your seed starting mix in there. We use perlite, vermiculite, and peat moss, all mixed together. Carry that in and out, okay? You can keep it outdoors, you can keep it indoors, keep all your cups together in a tub, and then just start planting. That's it. And keep everything organized as possible. I'm telling you, this is the way to do it indoors if you have a light. Bathroom, bedroom, spare bedroom, anywhere you have light, something should grow. And start thinking about these fall crops. We're going to try to do a whole nother summer garden this summer, okay? We're not focusing on the fall crops. We're focusing on what we eat. Tomatoes, green beans, corn, things like that, okay? So, here's our seed starting setup. Again, it's collapsible, it's easy, it's portable. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So check your fall dates for seeds. Be thinking about what you want to plant because we are growing food this year and becoming sustainable. We'll see you next time on Harmon Homestead.